Tell me what you remember about the 1993 renovation.
Moving from the third floor to the second floor.
1993 renovation. I just remember it was a very fun summer. Yeah, because the whole department moved to, I think it's second floor where the Midnight Market is now.
I'm trying to remember how many, I can't recall how many months it was. Maybe somebody else can recall exactly how long it was, but it was quite a while. They actually relocated all the departments in the technical services in the back, which was acquisitions, serials, and cataloging.
What was your position back then?
Serials receiver.
Yeah, everybody together, and the administration at that time is Sue Martin and Bob Dugan as the AU. Yeah, I think he was in charge of the project. Then they kept us posted, up to date of where the project is. And yes, I did have the tour of the construction site, the hard hat tour. I enjoy the renovation, I have to say. It's just so different. That summer is a memorable summer.
All right, so tell me about this t-shirt.
You can tell back in the day they made good quality stuff because these t-shirts have been around a long time and have lasted.
And you still have your t-shirt somewhere?
Yes, I do. So
Do you remember, did everybody get t-shirts?
I think so. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can check. I do. If I have one, I'm sure everybody has one.
I survived the renovation. And of course, you can see it's kind of wearing a little bit, but it's still hanging in there.